overview of embedded C programming, overview of embedded system, architecture of PIC16F877A microcontroller, and interfacing peripherals like LED, CLCD, digital keypad, timer, fan. Embedded C. Embedded C is a powerful extension of standard C programming language, specifically for developing software for embedded systems. It is a general purpose language. It is a free form language. It allowed direct access to hardware components like memory, addresses, input-output ports, and peripherals, which is essential for controlling the behavior of an embedded device. Embedded C is known for its efficiency and speed, making it suitable for real-time applications where timing is critical. Keywords and data types in C. Keywords are the reserved words that have predefined meaning. There are 32 keywords in C. For example, int, for, break, data types. Data types are used to declare the type of data stored in a variable. It determines the size of the memory allotted to a variable. The main data types are integral and floating point. Modifiers. Modifiers are used to modify the properties of a variable. Conditional statement and operators in C. Conditional statement in C allow a program to make decision and extract different blocks of code based on whether a specific condition is true or false. Whereas operators are symbols that instruct the compiler to perform a specific operation. There are multiple types of operators like logical operators, arithmetic operators, assignment operators, and many more. Arrays, pointers, string, and functions in C. An array is a collection of data of the same data type. Addressing are SQL. Indexing starts from 0 and at 1. Pointers are variable that stores memory addresses of other variables. Instead of holding a direct value, of point holds the location in the memory where a value is stored. Functions in C are self-contained block of code designed to perform a specific task. There should be a function prototype, a function definition, and a function shell. A string is a sequence of characters terminated by null character. It is also called character array. So these are the arrays, pointers, and string in and functions in C. So let's come to embedded system. Embedded system. Any combination of hardware and software that is intended to do a specific task can be called as embedded system. There are different types and categories in embedded system. The standalone, real-time, networked, and mobile embedded system. The main part in an embedded system is a microcontroller. So a microcontroller is an integrated circuit that is capable of being programmed to perform a specific task. Memory. So types of memory. There are mainly two types of memory, volatile and non-volatile. And in volatile, RAM, which are further classified into two types, SRAM and DRAM, and non-volatile are ROM. Microcontroller are less flexible, easy to design and program for specific tasks using a single task. Microprocessors are more flexible, complex to design and used for general purpose system. A system on chip consists of microcontroller and microprocessor, and also some peripherals on a single chip, making it ideal for complex structural designs. So let's come to PIC16 F877A microcontroller, which I have used in my project as well. So it is a 14-pin IC, follows Harvard architecture, has 5 bidirectional input-output port, and it is a 8-bit microcontroller. Every port has a tri-state data direction register. So here it's 14 pins, port A, port B, port C, port D, and port E. So this is my project which I have completed during this internship, microwave oven simulation. Purpose of my project is this project focus on simulating a microwave oven using Pixim Lab, aiming to replicate the real-world microwave oven functionality in a virtual environment. The project begins with a comprehensive understanding of microwave components, cycle, and operations. So tools used in this project are MPLAB XIDE development environment, MPLAB XC8 compiler to compile the codes, and PiximLab to simulate my program. And peripheral used are digital keypad, CLCD, timer, fan. So let's come to microwave. What is a microwave oven? Microwave oven is a kitchen appliance that cooks food by passing an electromagnetic wave through it. There are several modes in various microwave ovens. In this project, we are going to implement four modes, which are as follows: micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, and start mode. So in micro mode, this mode is used to cook the food traditionally. It uses a maximum power of 900 volt. So let's come to the second mode, grill mode. This mode is used to cook meat and bread. It is same as micro mode, micro plus grill mode, cooking plus grilling. Let's come to the third mode, that is convection mode. In this mode, the user can set the oven to a preheat to a particular temperature and it takes 3 minutes to preheat the oven. The maximum temperature that the user can set is 180 degrees Celsius. After preheating is done, the user can set the timer as per the requirement. And the last mode is start mode. It is the default mode. Whenever user press the start button, the timer is set for 30 seconds. So let's come to my project demo and implementation. So let's first see my code and each files. These are the header files and source file. CLCD header file, keypad header file, microwave one header file, and this is timer header file. So let's come to the source files. This is source file clcd.c. Then isr.c. Then come to the main.c. Then matrix keypad. Then microwave1.c. Then timers.c. So the clcd.c and .h is used to control the LCD display. The timers.c is used to set the timers and control the timers. And the keypad files are used to control the keypad. Main.c control or the functioning of the microwave oven. So let's move to the simulation of my project. So here we are in Pixim Lab. Let's load our file. This is my hex file. Here it shows powering on microwave oven. You can see I'm using PIC16 F877A microcontroller. So let's restart it. This is the powering on screen of microwave oven. So as I have told you, we have four modes in our project. microwave oven. The first mode is micro, the second mode is grill mode, the third mode is convection mode, and the fourth mode is start mode. So let's start with the micro mode. When we press key 1, we can choose the mode by pressing these keys. So to choose micro mode, press key 1. It shows the power used in micro mode. Now we can set the time by pressing the keys. So let's set 11 seconds first. Here has is for enter and start to clear. Let's first clear it. Now let's enter again, 22 seconds. Wait a minute. So 22 seconds is entered. Press S to start. So as you can see, the fan is rotating. So our heating is started in microwave oven. By pressing key 5, we can pause the heating, and by pressing 4, we can start and or resume our process. So let's wait until the time over. So once the time is up, it shows time up, enjoy your meal. Let's move on to the second mode, the grill mode. So in grill mode, we can enter the time. Let's enter 33 seconds. Has to enter and start to clean. So has to enter. Here also we can pause, start, resume, or stop. So let's first pause it. To resume it, press 4. And to stop, press E. This will lead us to the main menu. So let's move to the third mode, that is convection mode. So in convection mode, we can enter the temperature. So for preheating, let's enter 120 degree. We can press hash to start or start to clear. So let's first clear it. Now again enter the temperature 140 degree. Let's enter 144. Hash to start. So it start preheating. The time remain 56 seconds. So let's wait to end the timer until the timer is ends. So once the preheating is done, it will work as the micro mode. Now we can enter the time. Let's enter 44. Oh, it's in 2 minutes. Just clear it. Enter and start. So it start cooking. The time is decreasing. We can pause it or restart it or just stop it and return to the main menu. So let's wait for some time. Once the timer ends, it will show up time's up, enjoy your meal. It is taking too long, so let's just stop it by pressing key 6. So we return to the main menu. Now let's move to the last mode, that is start mode. By pressing 4 key. So as we press, it automatically sets to 30 seconds. Now whenever we press the start again, it will add 30 seconds to the timer. So let's see. Here you can see 30 seconds are added. Let's press one more time. Key 4. So here you can see the time is increased. So let's wait until the time ends. In this mode as well, we can pause or resume. By pressing key 5, we can pause it. You can see the fan is stopped rotating. It is paused. And by pressing key 4, we can restart it. Once the time is end, the display will show time's up, enjoy your meal. So here you can see time's up, enjoy your meal. Let's restart it once. So all four modes are tested. So these are the four modes: micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, and start mode. We are using the microcontroller PIC 16 F877A. So let's check the convection mode once more until it timer ends automatically. Set the preheating temperature 145 degree. I'm setting it. Hash to enter. Heating started. Let's wait. Once the preheating is done, it will allow us to enter the time. So preheating is done. We are allowed to enter the time now. Let's enter in seconds. So will it so it can end. We can see it 22 seconds has to start. The cooking is started. You can see it. So let's wait until it ends. This will also shows up the time is up. Enjoy your meal after the timers end and cooking is done. Time's up. Enjoy your meal. So this is my project. Thank you for watching the video.